Hey, what's up guys? Haven't seen you in a while, so I'm gonna make a quick update on this second channel. It's been almost a month and a half, maybe more, I haven't posted. But the reason why, you probably have seen in a while back, a couple months ago, I started cleaning out the basement, the studio, the garages, the entire house to get rid of mental clutter. It was just taking too long. I was like, it's gonna take me years, couple bins at the time. So I just got a dump and I got a empty car out and just filled up with stuff, donate and dump and organize everything better. So if you remember my studio, I don't have to run the old footage. It was a mess. So instead of all this mess and bins everywhere, now I build a studio here and I rebuild my eBay, and still a lot of progress to do, but everything is have changed and a lot better, and my mental clutter have went away. Still kind of filming some of the things that I kept and moving them away, selling them on eBay. But this is what my basement looks like, and we'll go in the studio, see what studio looks like as well, because you've seen how I started. It was bad. It looked like episode of Hoarders. But yeah, this is my Crazy Russian Hacker setup. I just filmed the video. I need to still finish the ceiling like that all the way, and I need to finish the floor. It's still a basement. I built the wall in the background. I had this in the studio. Man, this overexposing. These like dividers, cabinet dividers, one of those things, and I put them up here and here. I still need to fix the top, because if I put this screen on top of it, it looks so beautiful. I bought a ton of tripods. I bought a lot of equipment. Imagine setting up all these tripods and lights. Look at that. Well, have to loosen this up. These tripods really work really well. Still have to get a new table right here, a new humidifier, dehumidifier, and this is my setup for Pokemon. I know it looks a lot better in a video because you don't see all that. I still have to build it up, but this is good. Need a new table, that's the next one. Bought myself a little screen so that way I can see what I'm doing. I set up the camera here, all the lights, 3-point lights, get rid of everything. There is some survival stuff I have, couple of things in the back, but yeah, this is beautiful. Might get new shelf in the future. Still working on a wire organization, but look, this was filled, remember, and it used to pull orders from over there. It's all empty still. I can organize, and this is magic. And couple survival things. Yeah, still have to organize that. This is where I'm going to put all my bins, this kind, and I will put all my ideas right here. There's a survival closet, and I need to remove that. That came with the house, so it looks better. Remember what it looks like when I filmed? I couldn't even walk. I had these tables with Pokemon things. Maybe I'll play all the video. I had a table with Pokemon and junk was everywhere. There was like insanity. It was so bad. So I have fixed that. Still have built in few things, extra lights out here, and check out my editing studio. I put a couch here. I have removed all of those wide shelves and get rid of them. I went to Sam's Club, so I still have to have Christmas. I still have to have Halloween, survival, camping gear. I keep it in right here, or like baby stuff in here. Still have to kind of like very expensive stuff right here. I have too much of that stuff. I gotta kind of get rid of that. Some Christmas in there. Have to go through here a little bit. But yeah, organized. And this one shelf, the reason why I'm doing one shelf right here for Pokemon storage is because it is comfortable. When I stand right here, I can open. I need to set up lights right here. Still, right now I'm like with a cell phone flashlight. But yeah, I can open it, get my cards, whatever. Put some extra stuff that we kind of like bought it for our kids in the future. Also, I have organized, of course, survival stuff, wherever I could put camping stuff, video games. I have bubble wrap. I got too much bubble wrap because we will move back and forth. There's extra boxes, got a bit too much. So I'm putting anything extra on top shelf because I cannot use it. I still need to put up all that black cloth everywhere. It's pretty cheap, it's just time consuming. Then this is right here is my eBay super organized section right here as well. So what do I need for Pokemon eBay? I need blue tape so the cards don't slide in and out inside one of these envelopes. It's under $20 cards. It costs 69 cents to ship cards out. So, and I have right here, if I sell 50 cards a day, singles, I have to have like 1,000 extra envelopes, and right here another 400. So I get empty right here, I order another one. Then I have team bag sleeves, graded card sleeves. Whenever like there's a 10 or 20 cards sold, like somebody bought this amount of cards, I put them in one of those bigger envelopes. All these ones is sold, all these ones I'm listing right now. So tape, extra tape right here, 1 row. In the back right here, I have a whole bunch of bags of penny sleeves and more penny sleeves in the back. More graded card over stuff, team bags in the back, roller shipping labels. There's my printer with shipping labels. Whenever I need to get another one, I get right here. Also extra printer, because if my printer dies, I want to have an extra printer, doesn't slow me down. This is also labels as well. It has to be, when you buy labels, I have learned the hard way, it has to be working with the roller. Certain labels don't work with these certain printers. Then top loaders. I keep all my cards in top loaders. Most sellers don't do that. I'm going above and beyond. Then boxes, those are bigger boxes for like knives and like 10-20 ounces, something big gadget to sell. Then I have right here folding boxes like this for like, I don't know, like 20-30 cards with the top loaders. Then it's like same box right here, but the double the size. I think it's 8 by 10 by 6, and this is 11. This box is 11, 6 and 4. You'll have to figure it out by yourself, but all you need is right here. Cards around like under $30 I'll put inside here with the top loader and a blue tape, and ship them at $4 shipping. Cards, whenever I sell like this, will go inside here. I mean, it'll go in one of those what do you call that? Man, I forgot. Graded card sleeve, and inside here and inside this box above and beyond, and I have a bunch of them. So also right here is just empty extra shipping, what do you call it, scale, another scale, and it's for any eBay. You want to be organized as possible, and this stuff that is already listed, I need to put it away, and I'm now created a mess right here. So this side here, for me too easy to grab the labels. This I need to clean up a little bit. See, making a mess. This need to be listed, it doesn't go here. I need to move it to the side. So trying to organize every aspect of my hobbies and businesses, it's a lot better. Also this table, chair, it's liftable up and down. I got a tripod in case I want to like lift it. We'll set up the cell phone or the camera, picture camera, and list it easier. Right now it's a mess. I got to clean it out. What I should have on this table, that's it. Printer, labels, computer, scale. That's it. I was like sorting a little bit. I need a different sorting table. I need to take this up and take all that extra junk out and put it over here. This is all my extra that needs to be listed right here. This is all my eBay listings right now. And right now I'm kind of going through everything is worth selling or filming again. I put it in this bin, so it's super nice. The other day I started pulling them out and going through them, and there's a lot more junk than I thought. So soon that shelf will be gone completely, and I'm only going to operate out of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 bins and a couple of big items right here. That's it. If I have too much stuff here, I don't list anymore. If these bins are filled up on eBay, I'm done. I'm like making sure it sells it before I list anymore, so I'm gonna drop the value and things like that. So it's a lot better. It is a lot more comfortable. It's beautiful. I can film here quiet. I don't have to worry about too much sun, too much rain. The lights is like perfect darkness without anything, so it's great. So that's what I've been doing, kind of organizing everything, every part of my life. Let's go to the studio and see what it looks like. I used to have whole bunch of stuff. Anywhere an empty spot, I would fill it up with stuff. And you know what? It's so bad. Oh, empty table. It's like full of stuff. Right now, this side here, I have too many moving blankets. So I'm gonna go either sell them or donate them and only keep one bin of blankets. That I need to put in the garage and donate. Seed, I'm about to spray it out today. But now that I cleaned out even the shelves, now I can put seeds in here. Any extra, I used to keep the things in here that I never use. So any extra stuff that I need, like paper towels, I just put it in here in extra storage. Like dog bones, things like that. I'd rather keep it empty than full of stuff, you know what I mean? Dog medicine, whatever. But look how much nicer that is. I used to have extra light bulbs. Why do I have extra light bulbs? Whenever I can, first I will go and buy it on Amazon and don't even have to go to Lowe's. Or I can go to Lowe's and pick up what I need. I still have to work on all that. Probably put it on the shelf because it looks ugly and been pitching away right here as well. So life is getting better. This section is kind of gotta go through donate. But yeah, there's dump. Been using it a lot. It's my third load right here, but it's mostly I've been finding a lot of junk where I'm like, why do I have it? And it's like black mold and all that stuff. Ooh, so disorganized. Oh, you want to go say hi to the dogs? Look at them, look at them. Also getting better with stocking that firewood shed with wood. But yeah, they're doing good. It's finally getting warmer. George likes it. Anyways, let's go to the studio real quick. Also pulled out those cages. I don't know what to do with them. Probably they're really expensive. They're like $700 each. Probably gonna put it behind the garage for now. I don't know. Maybe I'll have chickens in the future, so I don't want to get rid of them yet. But yeah, this entire studio is pretty empty. Few things have left. I don't want that. Gotta go take it, donate all those pictures and stuff like that. I do have extra tile. I do have extra more tile for the house. Couple of bins. There's some valuable things in there, so I gotta check them. Gold ponion things, so I gotta pick it up and put it in the garage. But yeah, gotta get rid of this thing and a couple other things. I have not had run out of space, but for the most part it's done. Couple of survival things, just big things. You see, man, it's hard to clean up all this stuff out. And you know, I have this big pile of axes. It's such a unique pile. But you know, it's funny, now that I left, my father-in-law filling up. And you know, it's funny, it's like you always see these people filling up their garages. You watch this, you know, hoarders on TCL, whatever it's called, like one of those hoarder TV shows, and you don't kind of realize that I am as well. Maybe not as bad, maybe I'm more organized, but it's still a hoard. All this stuff that I don't need, like these tables and stuff like that, I don't need. Donate it, get it when I do need it. So, but this one is a nice work table. It just need to be kind of removed, everything organized. I don't need this science gadgets. They're not even working. This one is twisted up. But you know, somebody clean up, somebody else fills up. You know what I mean? So it is, for the most part, it's clean. Just gotta get rid of that pile. This is not mine. This is my father-in-law filling up now. But the moral of the story, I'm not worried about if it's not my stuff. Gotta clean this up and it's all done. So this is why I've been busy. And he kind of moving in. He slowly have few things he just brought in. He wanna build up some shelves and organize it as well. Hopefully, who knows? I was not organized. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think it's the right thing to do? Kinda get rid of all the stuff that you haven't used in a couple of years and kind of start over. It really definitely wanted to just like, man, I hope it just all disappears and I have nothing and I start over and I don't make the same mistake, because man, it's a mental clutter, and then I spend 2 weeks cleaning it. So much wasted time, versus if I would just as soon as I buy kitchen gadgets, film them, film short with them, and then like move it alone. Like donate, Goodwill, trash, whatever it is, sell it if it's a valuable one. But instead, I was like, I'll do it one day. And I save. So I've been saving, and come to find out when it's time to sell it, most of that stuff nobody wants. It's used, it's trash, it's dirty. It's not worth selling it ever. So I'm done. That's what I've been doing. I'm gonna start uploading more videos here on the second channel. It won't be so much of eBay, it will be different things, more like survival stuff, prepping stuff, DIYs, whatever comes to mind. We'll see where we take this channel. I will slow down eBay for now because I want to focus on eBay, but I really love learning about it. But I still will be listing, because I don't want to keep too many things that is expensive. And I think eBay is a great tool for it, because if I take it to a pawn shop, it's a fraction of the value that eBay will sell for, even after fees. Pawn shops, they rip you off. But what else? But yeah, so I'm gonna keep going eBay, but just not as hard as I wanted to. Maybe in the future, we'll see where it takes us, and I'll bring back the filming. But yeah, stay tuned, see what we're going to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.